That's it, a little bit higher. Good. Just to there. Don't go too extreme. Keep them so you can see them all the time. Elbow high. That's it. Good. Yep. Yep. And just go steady. Yeah. That's it. Good. We got him. We got him. Now see how your elbows open like that? Try and avoid that. Try and keep everything nice and tight. Yeah.
Now squeeze through the pecs and coming up. So it's there. It's like, this is a really good, it's almost like an upper squeeze when we're doing chest. Down. There. Now squeeze. Think about it. Good.
Now still. Come on. Nice and tall. Yep, just there. That'll do. Good. Nice and tall. One more. Killed it. Good work.
You can do this. Good stuff.
Okay, get your